Well, we have a very high ambition set for this campaign, and I cannot put it in other words than to say it's about making Europe the most efficient and environmentally sky to fly in the world. It comes together with a huge expectation to make sure that this update marks the beginning of a new era, that there is a before and after effect, and that we can drive investments in the right direction, whether it is for the future of what needs to be rolled out or developed into our program. It also comes with an expectation to help shape the future regulatory framework, whether it is economical or technical, to ease the uptake of innovation in Europe. We have very little time. It's a bit like a race to build consensus across all industry and make sure that we can answer the question, what is it that we want to achieve and what do we need to focus on to make it a reality? So we are just coming out of a phase where over 100 experts across the aviation value chain have worked together, and we have given them some time to explore what could be the range of possible for that bright future. We are now exiting that phase of exploration and entering the more delicate phase, if you want, of building consensus about the vision, the priorities, and what challenges we need to overcome to make sure that this can be rolled out in time. So what's next is we are going to start very openly engaging the community as broadly as possible. In particular, for you that may not have been engaged directly in the campaign, you will have a unique opportunity to have your say. It's going to be in April in Brussels on the 22nd and 23rd of April. We want you to tell us whether we are on track, off track, how we can improve, because we just cannot afford to fail with this update. It's our future that we are trying to shape.